During Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the imposition of sanctions, and the accompanying financial market instability, the role of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin has been a major debate topic. And it has raised major concerns about how it is being utilized and what its future holds. For the time being, we don't know how crypto will influence international conflict, or whether it will ultimately assist or harm. People escaping war zones may find a unique purpose for cryptocurrency, but they must first learn how to use it. There are already numerous different methods of raising and moving money that does not entail digital currency, and while cryptocurrency may make it simpler to avoid sanctions, countries were avoiding penalties long before Bitcoin. What we do know is that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are becoming a serious factor in the global economy and conflicts around the world. Whether it's good or bad in warfare, crypto is doing what its supports claim it does, providing a place for people to work outside of established financial institutions, and there's no sign that this will change anytime soon. Welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. Can cryptos be used to avoid sanctions? Following its invasion of Ukraine, Russia has been subjected to a slew of economic penalties aimed at isolating the country from the global financial system. Key Russian people and financial organizations have been sanctioned by the United States, thereby barring American companies from doing business with them. Meanwhile, the U.S., its European allies, and Canada have blocked important Russian banks from the SWIFT interbank messaging system, limiting their access to global financial markets. The Russian currency has plummeted as a result of these sanctions. This has sparked a debate about whether cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, may be used to circumvent these sanctions. This is because Bitcoin and other digital currencies are frequently decentralized, which means that they are not issued or managed by a centralized institution, such as a central bank. When crypto is distributed to other users, it bypasses the usual financial plumbing. However, there are a lot of obstacles. First, blockchain, the technology that powers Bitcoin, is a public ledger of activities. As a result, it's feasible to quickly follow the movement of funds from one account to another. This does not make it an effective tool for evading sanctions. The largest fallacy about crypto is that it is untraceable and is mostly utilized for evil purposes, which couldn't be further from the truth, says Vijay Ayar, Vice President of the Corporate Development and International at cryptocurrency exchange Luno, told CNBC. Meanwhile, there is insufficient liquidity for Russian oligarchs and corporations to move their money. Liquidity in crypto is only a fraction of the global currency market, making it very difficult to move big quantities of money using crypto, Ayar explained. Cryptocurrency exchanges will be on high alert as well. Exchanges that operate with robust protocols and rules of conduct will no doubt be doubly vigilant at this time for monies with malicious origins. CNBC's Charles Hayter, CEO of analytics firm CryptoCompare, said, "Crypto is a part of war now, like it or not." This isn't the first time people have resorted to cryptocurrency amid an international battle, but it does feel like the first time crypto has taken center stage, so much so that some have dubbed Russia's invasion of Ukraine the world's first crypto war. This is largely due to crypto supporters rallying support of Ukraine and attempting to find a role for crypto. According to its CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, the cryptocurrency exchange FTX has offered the equivalent of $25 to each Ukrainian user on its site to use as they see fit. Nadya Tolokonnikova, a co-founder of the Russian protest band Pussy Riot, has established a fundraising campaign to sell 10,000 NFTs of the Ukrainian flag. Vitalik Buterin, the Russian-born founder of Ethereum, has encouraged people to use cryptocurrency to donate to humanitarian operations in the country. Of course, some crypto boosters' efforts to incorporate digital assets into the war effort have proven laughable. A bored monkey NFT person expressing solidarity with Ukraine doesn't help much. Given the shadiness of some aspects of the space, it's also difficult to tell which projects will truly aid the people of Ukraine and which are merely money grabs by opportunists. In a tweet on Thursday, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Bitcoin exchange and wallet Coinbase, backed up many of these claims. He stated that every business in the United States is required to follow the law. It would be a mistake to believe that cryptocurrency companies such as Coinbase will not abide by the law. We will, of course. This is why, like any other regulated financial services business, we screen people who sign up for our services against global watch lists and block transactions from IP addresses that may belong to sanctioned individuals or entities. According to Crypto Compare, the volume of transfers from the ruble to Bitcoin and Tether, a so-called stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, has increased since Russia invaded Ukraine. As the ruble has plummeted, Hader believes there is a flight to the dollar by whatever means necessary, where crypto is merely another path to safeguard capital. According to Armstrong of Coinbase, some ordinary Russians are utilizing cryptocurrency as a lifeline right now that their currency has collapsed. Earlier this week, senators, including Senator Elizabeth Warren, pushed the Treasury Department to confirm that crypto business comply with Russia sanctions. According to one U.S. government official, it's unlikely that Russia will be able to avoid sanctions by using cryptocurrency. The scale that the Russian state would require to successfully circumvent all U.S. and partner financial sanctions would almost certainly render cryptocurrency as an ineffective primary tool for the state, says Carol House, the National Security Council's Director of Cybersecurity, during a webinar on Wednesday, according to Reuters. Is Bitcoin finally becoming digital gold? For years, supporters of Bitcoin have referred to the digital currency as digital gold. The theory is that Bitcoin, like gold, is a store of value that may serve as a haven asset in times of turbulence. However, that hypothesis has fallen apart in recent years, as Bitcoin trading has been linked to risk assets, including stocks. However, as the conflict in Ukraine escalated this week, Bitcoin experienced a massive one-day surge that sent it past $44,000 off the year's lows, raising speculation that its time as an haven asset has arrived. Several experts were divided. We've read in a few different sources that BTC is recovering its reputation as a haven. We fully disagree. Lux Thiagaraja, head of trading and account management at crypto financial services firm BCB Group, said in a message on Thursday, "A haven asset keeps its value during times of market volatility. Since it became evident that the Fed, U.S. Federal Reserve, was going to raise rates faster than expected, crypto has sold off violently, causing stocks to fall. This is not what I mean by a haven." According to Luno AR's, Bitcoin was decorrelated quite a bit from stocks and gold, which is one positive indication about its use case as a haven in the last week. He noted that Bitcoin will continue to mature, eroding gold's market share, but that this story may yet take more time to play out. Has blockchain tech proven its utility? Proponents of cryptocurrency frequently claim the underlying blockchain as a means of making transactions more efficient and traceable. One of the reasons is because, unlike regular financial transactions, there is no intermediary to shift the money. However, many cryptocurrencies continue to have hefty transaction fees and sluggish transaction speeds. Payments, for example, have not achieved widespread adoption. During the battle, though, Ukraine began to accept cryptocurrency donations to fund its military, among other things. According to the analytics firm Elliptic, Ukraine has raised more than $50 million in cryptocurrency. Given the high expense of transferring money abroad, accepting gifts via standard banking methods may be challenging. It is also possible that Ukraine will take a long time to get their funds. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.